Well, the last unboxing. Guys. After we finish this unboxing, we are finally going to build our computer. The one that I called the Archangel project. You are going to see, it's going to be spectacular. Let's see. This is the power supply. It's a TX850 M, 850 watts, gold plus, from Corsair. To be honest, it's a little bit overkill for a 3070 and a i9 10900K. But who knows, maybe we are going to need a 3090 graphics card. Okay, let's see what is inside of the box. This power supply it's kind of cheap if you look around, and it's cheap with a good reason. It gives you those 850 watts gold plus, but you are going to see in a few moments why it is so cheap. Yeah. How do you... Oh. Okay. It is a semi-modular power supply. I'm a big fan of the semi-modular because it allows you to keep it clean, you know. It allows you to have a clean build without being suffocated by what you don't really need in the case, like a lot of cables. Okay, so this is heavy. This is heavy, guys. Heavy is good. Heavy is quality. Oh, okay. It looks okay. It's okay. So I paused the video a little bit because I wanted to take out all the cables without recording the noise made by these plastic bags. It's annoying. Okay, so this is semi-modular power supply. Semi-modular means that all the cables that you need to plug in the motherboard you cannot detach. They cannot be detached. So 24 pin and the 8 pin for CPU. And right here we have two ports for 6+2 PCI Express. We are going to need both of them for the 3070, and these four plugs are for SATA. Yes, these are the SATA cables. These are the PCI Express cables. Another one. You have two of them. Molex adapters, SATA, and Molex. Okay, so this is why this power supply is kind of cheap. It uses old standards like Molex. Nobody uses this kind of plugs anymore. I think they are specific to this type of computers, 10 years old computers. Nobody uses them right now. Everything is on SATA. Yeah, it came with the screws for case mount and some zip ties. Yeah, this is why it's so cheap. It uses old standards. It's not. It doesn't have a lot of ports, and to be honest, look at the package. The package is really cheap, but it's okay. It's all that we need. We don't need anything fancy. We need the 8. Look, all we need is the 850 watts Gold Plus. Our SSDs are going to be M2, so I don't think we are going to need any of these cables except for the graphics card ones. Except for these two. I don't think I'm going to plug anything on SATA on this computer. It's going to be interesting. Okay guys, let's see. Okay, first of all, I was wrong. This is not the last unboxing. We are going to make another unboxing. That will be really the last one. It's going to be the case. The case is from Be Quiet. It's a silent bass 802, really big, really white. It's going to be spectacular. It's going to be a very clean build. The Archangel. Yeah, bullshit. It's going to be a video editing station, and that's all. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you ever wondered what's inside of a cheap Corsair 850 watts box power supply, now you know. It uses old standards. The package is crap. It's not crap in the way that it can get broken by the shipping company. It's crap because it's not what we usually get from a Corsair product, you know. Okay, so thank you for joining. Have a nice day. GoPro, stop recording.